3 underrated websites what blow your mind you have to know to make money online. The first website is pillow.app. Pillow.app. Here in this amazing website you can obtain professional promotional videos to your products, and these videos are so-called UGC videos. That stands for user generated content video, and these videos are superior to the normal ad videos because it's more persuasive, more engaging to your audience, because it's based on real user experience. So you can consider these videos as a review from an user to another. And these videos are talking about your products for different purposes, like for testimonials, how to unboxing and showcasing your products. And in Pillow.app, here you can make money online in different 3 ways. The first way, as a customer. Yes, if you are working as an affiliate or if you are a product owner, so you can get help from this amazing website to obtain professional videos to your products in different fields, in different niches. Like here you can promote your products, whatever they are, like for fitness, wellness, health, apparel, cosmetics, home decor, food, consumer goods, and so on. So you can get help from Pillow.app to promote your products, and here you can make money online indirectly. And the second way, just you can become a creator. Here if you have the skill of presentation and convey a message to customers, showcasing a product or unboxing it, so you can join this amazing website as a creator and get paid regularly and get some rewards and so on. Okay, here you can join as a creator. The third way to make money online from Pillow.app, just you can work as an affiliate to this amazing website. And here to join this affiliate program, just you can go all the way to the bottom, okay, to this one affiliate program. And here you can join this affiliate program and get $50 for everyone signs up through your affiliate link. $50 for everyone. So you can promote in this amazing website for TikTokers, for YouTubers, for some influencers, and so on. And just we can get for everyone $50 immediately. So you can make money online in different 3 ways in this amazing website Pillow.app. And now let's move on to the next website for today, that is Flicky.ai. Flicky.ai. Here in this beautiful website you can turn your text, your article, your paragraph into videos with lifelike voiceovers with all natural voiceover features like pauses, breathing, exclamation, emphasize, and so on, to generate professional videos from your texts. As you see here, and here you can find the natural voiceovers in 70 different languages. Okay, as you see, to create amazing videos in any field, in any topic, like for people, culture, product promotion, for announcement, for growth and well-being, tourism, tutorials, and so on. Okay, so after sign up here on Flicky.ai with your email or LinkedIn account or Facebook or Google, and here you can go to dashboard of your account on Flicky.ai, and here to create a video from text or from paragraph or from your article, or to make a podcast or an ebook, just you can create a new file, and we can this one create. And here in this interface you can create your amazing video with a natural voiceover based on your texts, your paragraphs, and so on. So you just insert your sentences to make your first scene or first slide of your video, and here you can change a voiceover, and here you can insert your background image or background video. Okay, so for example, we can head to this amazing website which is about dogs, and here you can pick some sentences like this one. Okay, copy, back to Flicky.ai, and just we can paste here. Perfect. And now we can change this background image, and here you can search for any image from the stock library, or you can upload yours from your device. Okay, like this one for example, click over it. Perfect, as you see. And then you can change your voice over from here. Just you can select one of these beautiful voiceovers based on language, accent, gender, voice style, like for angry, cheerful, excited, friendly, helpful, sad, and so on. Okay, or you can use the default one like Sarah. Play it.
Through the ages, people have claimed dogs as one of their closest and best companions. Of all the domesticated animals, dogs serve the widest array of roles.
As you see, some pauses, some present as a natural voiceover. And here you can add another scene, another slide of your video where you can change the voiceover, insert other sentences, and so on to create your amazing video. And here by simple tools, you can create a beautiful video with a natural voiceover and turn in your text into an amazing video to promote your products, to promote your articles, and so on. So the second website for today is Flicky.ai. The third tool for today is a Chrome extension, which is so-called detailed SEO extension, detailed search engine optimization extension. Here you can find the number of users, over 70,000 users with 5 stars as review. It's an amazing extension and one of the best extensions for SEO industry. And here, just after adding this Chrome extension as a plugin in your Chrome browser, so for example, we can head to this amazing website in this amazing article and click over this Chrome extension, detailed SEO extension. And here you can find all details about this article, like title, description, URL, the canonical link, and some keywords, word count, long tail keywords, and so on, and all headings and subheadings in this amazing article to copy these features to create your own to rank higher on search results, as you see. Okay, so you can go to this one, headings, and okay, and some subheadings for links inserted in this article, as you see, and some images, 12 images without alt and without title, for schema, and for social sharing, like for Twitter, Pinterest, and so on, and the quick links, and so on. Okay, and here you can make an overview for any article ranked higher on search results if you want to make an article about the same topic. Okay, so here you have known 3 amazing websites, underrated tools that help you more to make money online. The first one is Pillow.app, the second one is Flicky.ai, and the third one is detailed SEO extension. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.